Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to write prompts for YouTube automation. So in order for you to write prompts, first or step one, you have to be clear on the video type. You can write a YouTube script for a motivational video, generate a list of 10 questions for a would you rather challenge or test your skills, create a full YouTube description for technological tutorial. Now, once you have found the specific niche that you want, let's just say you wanted to create a quiz channel or a test your skills channel. So you can ask ChatGPT to generate a list of questions for you. For example, this one right here. So this is an example, like generate a list of 10 questions for a would you rather challenge. Okay, and then basically to create a question and answer, you can just copy each and then you can ask ChatGPT to provide, for example, give me a three choices with the answer or with the answer of this question, and then you can also add the first question right here, or you can just basically go on and tap this enter or send button. Now ChatGPT will create the question plus three choices and also the answer, and all you have to do is to copy this and put it in the Canva using the bulk application. Okay, if you want to change also, for example, if you want to create or if you want to build a YouTube channel for questions about science, about test your skill challenge, and then all you have to do is to create again another prompt and basically do the same thing. Okay, ask ChatGPT to create or make some choices with the answer, for example, this one. And what you're going to do here to start your editing is you can select Canva. I strongly recommend Canva for creating quizzes. So I'm going to show you an example. For example, this one right here. This is the Canva. I created this. All you have to do is to add the question here and also the choices. And what's the good thing about Canva is you can also search images in Canva. So all you have to do is to copy and then paste it here in Canva. Also, the question, and later you can reveal the answer. You just have to copy paste the page and then reveal the answer. So basically this is what it looks like. All you have to do is to just create an account on ChatGPT, Canva. You can use an editing tool like CapCut, and then you can create a video, and after that you can now upload this to your YouTube channel. So basically this is how easy it is to write prompts for YouTube automation. You just need ChatGPT or other tools and then create a specific prompt for that video that you want. So it includes a tone in the audience. You have to give a correct structure. You have to be very specific about what you want and add context or examples. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.